Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your CRM workflow in Salesforce step by step clearly. To restore your CRM workflow in Salesforce, begin by logging into your Salesforce. Navigate to the Setup menu located in the top right corner of the page. In the Quick Find box, type Workflow Rules and select it from the drop-down options. Within the Workflow Rules section, you will see a list of your existing rules. Locate the workflow that you wish to restore. Check the status of the workflow to determine if it is inactive. If the workflow is inactive, click on the rule name to open its details. At the top of the page, click on the Activate button. Confirm the activation when prompted to ensure the workflow is restored. Next, return to the Workflow Rules page to verify that your workflow shows as active. If your workflow involves specific actions, click on the rule name again to view those actions. Review each action to ensure they align with your current business processes. Make any necessary adjustments to the actions according to your needs. Once satisfied, click Save to apply any changes made. If your workflow includes time-dependent actions, you may need to check if they are set correctly. Test your workflow by creating a record that meets the criteria of the workflow rule. Monitor the record to ensure that the workflow triggers as expected. After verification, document any changes made for future reference. Congratulations, you have successfully restored your CRM workflow in Salesforce. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.